Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you guys this tutorial on my eyebrows. It's just an updated routine. This is what I've been doing lately. I've been loving really natural eyebrows. So yeah, let's just get right to it. Alright, so I'm just going to be taking my spoolie and I'm just going to be using that to comb through my eyebrows. And now I'm just going to be taking my razor. I like to start shaving off from the top first. These are the best razors for your face and for your eyebrows, to be honest. So I'll have them linked down below. So I like to shave underneath my brow also. Yeah, there do be some big ass hairs, but I don't know, I'm just too lazy to pluck them. So I just literally shave it and I just go back and plucking whatever was left from the razor. Also, I do my brows. I haven't been to a lady that does my brows in a long time, so I'm the one who keeps maintaining my shape basically ever since from there. So here, like I said, I'm just plucking my eyebrows. Alright, so this is what the brows are looking, all shaved and plucked. So now I'm going to be going in with my ABH dip gel. And I just literally, this is all I do. I literally fill them in with just my gel. It's a brown gel. And this has just really good pigmentation just to fill them in. And they stay in place also. So this one really works great for me. See, just look at the difference. I know the lighting is really bad. I'm so sorry. But you do see how it looks like at the end with better lighting. And they're not dark, to be honest. They're not dark at all. They're super duper light. And now I'm just going in with my dip brow and this angle brush. Any angle brush will do it. Just make sure you really flatten it out, because the thinner it is, the better it is to make a thin line. So I'm just going to be taking it and the front of my eyebrow, basically just filling in the little part where I want it to look nice and sharp, and any gaps that I have also. If y'all can see, I am going really lightly. I am not doing it like really heavy handed, just because I will make the line super dark, and like we don't want that. Not here. I don't want that. And now I'm just going to be going in towards my tailbone. Right here, I'm just curving it out, you know, just following my brow. This is where we do want it to be a little bit more darker. Obviously, my eyebrows, I don't want them to be too dark, but towards the tail is where it's supposed to be the darkest. As you can see, this is what it looks like. They're super duper light and really natural. Like, it just looks like I got my brows done, to be honest. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.